back, and let me hope we are doing okay. Let me hope everything is okay with you. I've missed you guys so much. I've missed you guys so much. So today we shall not really waste much time, and we dive straight into it and we see how the day is going to play out. I'm sure maybe some of you might not join, thinking that Lena is still not going to stream today, but tap a friend to come and join in, such that we are able to know exactly what is going on with the market, with our different trades. So please come through. I would love to hear from you. I want to hear from you. Let me know how you've been, how everything has been going on, how your lives have been. Mine has not been so okay, I will say. I've not been well, but here I am, ready to dive straight into it, and we see how everything is going to play out today. So, Brent oil OTC, that is what we are looking at. 800 USD. That is the amount that I've set. That is the amount that I've set for today. 15 seconds. That is our time expiry. Okay, so come through. Let us see how things are going to play out today, how things are going to pan out today. All right, that is Batisita over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Okay, so hope you are doing well. Hope you are okay, and you are my very first person to come through to send in a message. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. All right. Okay, so today we have a lot to catch up on. Come through, let me know how we have been doing. Sydney over there comes through. Hi, Sydney, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Okay, that's true. That's true. Okay. So, my beautiful people, I'm seeing people coming through, the people who are viewing, wherever you are viewing in from, wherever you are joining in from. Your girl Lena is here to welcome you, to have you, to embrace you. So, please come through. Talk to me, talk to me. Let me know what you think, how everything has been, and let us start from there. Okay. That is that is Russian. Okay. Reshan over there. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. I am seeing you. You're coming in with a lot of energy. That is good and that is amazing. Okay. Bokeye comes through. Oh, so sorry, so sorry. Bokeh has also been unwell. So sorry. Actually, I've also been unwell, and I'm just praying that you get well, as I'm also, as I'm also getting well. So we are going to be okay. So I'm here, you're here. That is very, very amazing. Okay, so let us get into it. Okay, so come through, tell me about the market. What do you think? What do you think about today's market? Let us analyze it together. Let us make sure that each and every step of the way we are in together. Okay, so let us drive it from now to the end. Till the end, we are going to be together. Okay, so do not hesitate to send in a message, to send in uh, like any concern, all that. And like I said, we are here to learn, to grow ourselves, to better ourselves in our trading journey. So please come through. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. All right, that is Reshan. That is amazing. Okay. You are most welcome. You're most welcome, my dear. I will. I will. That is a bouquet. I will surely get well. You know, at times, even if I'm unwell, I think about you guys. I force myself to get well. Okay, so thank you for coming through. Thank you. I really do appreciate. I really want to hear from you. For the old people, always so happy and so excited to see you come through, to have you around. And for the new ones, thank you for coming in. Please do not hesitate to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. We are driving this together from the beginning to the end. So let us have the energy, the beautiful vibes, all that, the positivity from the beginning to the end. All right. So let us go. Let us have it going. All right. Okay. All right. That is a prosperous over there. Are you on TikTok or on IG? No, my dear. It's only YouTube and Telegram. Okay. Right. Person by position over here. So let us see what it has for us. I've requested you guys come through. Let us analyze this market together today and let us see how it's going to play out. Let us see how it's going to play out. Okay. Oh, okay. Roshan says, my voice is. Okay. Is it better now or it's still low? Let me hope it's much better now. Okay, so Robin. Okay, hey Miss Lena. Hey Robin, how are you doing? Happy to have you around. Happy to have you around. Hope you are well. Hope you are much better. Okay. All right, sorry about that, Robin. You know, I'm trying to fix my volume here as I talk to you. So you are most welcome, my dear. Happy to see you. Happy to have you around. Happy to have you around. So please stay tuned and do not forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Okay, I'm seeing Magal. Magal. Okay, if I pronounce the name wrongly, please pardon me. You say, "Hey, Elena, hi, how are you doing? How hope Let me hope you are well. Let me hope you are okay. Over here, I'm well and happy to have you around. Oh, okay. Let me see. Daily Clips. Hi, Daily Clips. How are you doing? Hope you are great. Hope you are amazing. Happy to see you. Happy to have you around. Hope everything is okay with you. Hope all is well. Okay. So let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. And we see how the day today is going to play out. Right, that is Mojid over there. Hi, Abdi. Mojid, how are you doing? It has been a while, and trust me, I've missed you guys so much. I've missed you guys so much, but here we are. Here you are. Thank you for always. Okay, so I was communicating and I was welcoming Mojid and I was thanking you for always sticking around for coming through. Okay, so all of you guys, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for always coming through. I'm always so grateful, so happy to have you around. Happy to always have you around. Happy to always see you around. And look at these wins, the way we are making it today. It's so exciting, so extremely exciting. So let us keep the positivity. Let us make this money and we have to live excited, full of profits today. Okay, so there comes oh, that is Mr. Eriquade. You're not going to match her time. Okay. Actually, I did not see what you are responding to, but I'm very sure maybe the person was saying their stream is a bit ahead of mine, which I'm really so sorry for. I'm really so sorry for that. Okay. Amelia comes through. Hope all is well from your side. Yes, my dear. All is well. Being here, seeing you guys, dealing with you, the messages coming through, the energy, the beautiful vibes. It is always a pleasure on my end. So trust me, my beautiful, lovely Amelia, I am great. On my side, I'm well. Let me hope you are doing okay yourself. Okay, that is Olivier. Ol- Okay, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are okay. I really missed you. I miss you guys so much. So Henok is asking, did you did you affect you Trump announcement on your trading? Um, okay, it it doesn't. It doesn't. The reason as to why it doesn't, you see, when you ask me about the broker that I'm using to trade, which is Pocket Option, and then okay, some people ask for which platform I'm using, that is still Pocket Option, and then when we talk about the OTC, whether what announcements or what is happening, the fact that we are using a broker, we are not affected. Okay, so we are not affected. It is the other, let me say, like crypto, the cryptocurrencies, things like that, that you find that actually they are affected. But us who are using a broker and with the OTC market, an open market, we are not affected. That's it. So whether which announcements, public holidays, what changes, we are not affected. Okay. Um, I really missed you. I missed you guys so much. I miss you guys so much. But here I am. Here I am. And trust me, from today onwards, I feel much better, like coming alive, being with you, chatting with you guys. That is a healing process for me. So thank you very much. There comes Jeff Flexi. How are you doing? It has been a while. Hope you've been okay. Hope you have been doing great. So happy to have you around. Today is an amazing day. I'm seeing very many people that have taken a while. Mine are seeing. Look at Asaj over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Hope you are amazing. Okay, there comes Philip. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Hope you are great. Happy to have you around, Sophia over there. You are doing a great. You're doing a good job. Thank you, my darling. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then Sophia comes in with a plus for us. Look at that. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing okay. Yoga Lena here is amazing. It's amazing. Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate you guys. Dauda comes through. Hi, Dauda. How are you? How are you? Hope you are amazing. Hope you are amazing. Okay, so back to the market. Back to our charts. Let us observe and see how everything is going. What do you think? Are we on the safe side? Are we uh, how do you see when you gauge the volatility? What do you think? The market fluctuation, what do you think about all those? Come through, chat with me, let me know what exactly you think about the market today. On my end, I will believe, okay, according to the analysis so far, I would think we are not doing so bad. We are not doing so bad. At least it is manageable. It's not as crazy as some of those days. We have had crazy days. We have had really, really very, very bad days. But today is a bit calm, I would say. But you can let me know what you think, such that we put our thoughts together, we analyze this market together, and we conclude it together. And there we have a plus. Look at that. So let us keep it going. Right about now, we are in a downtrend. So, how are we going to do? How are we going to perform in this downtrend? Let's see. All right, we want to break above. That's very true, Sydney. That is amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you, Ahmed. Yeah, I'm saying it. I'm saying it. I'm telling you, today is it's clear, it's calm. Yeah. So let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. Okay. All right, Sydney. Okay, patience is key in this thing. I'm telling you, very, very. Trust me, you're patient, things fall in place. But the moment you start rushing, there comes most of the losses, most of the losses. I always talk about the 70% to 30%. When you rush, you end up doing the other way around. 30% profits and 70% losses. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? That is so hurtful. That is so painful. So let us keep the patience. Let us keep the patience, and we shall get to exactly what we need. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. That is Anselmo. Hi, how are you, my darling? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing great. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for always coming through. So excited to always have my amazing people come through. And there we have a plus. Look at that. Look at that. Today is amazing. I will give it that today it is a really amazing. Okay, so let us give it at that. The calmness, the patience. Let us give it at that. It is amazing. We observe together, we analyze the market together, and we see how it all plays out. Jackson Davis. Hi, how are you doing? Aiden Wilson, look at that. Look at that. These are my amazing people. Thank you for coming through. Always so excited to see you guys come through our Thimble. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Noah Johnson. Oh my goodness, today the people that I'm seeing, it's so amazing, so amazing. And trust me, I send flowers to Sydney as well. Sydney has been here with me for a very, very long time. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for staying with Lena. I really do appreciate. I send you beautiful flowers, and I really do appreciate you. Thank you for sticking with your girl, Lena. Okay. Um, there comes Jefflex. you know, um, initially, we have to talk about certain things. We talk about the whole process, how things are supposed to be done, what is expected, how we should take some time, we learn, understand exactly what is happening, what is going on, instead of just rushing into the trades. Okay, so when we do that, we analyze the market, we understand the strategy that we are supposed to use, the different indicators that we have to use. Like I said, with binary options trading, it's not difficult, you get. It's not, it could be somewhere, somehow, but it's very easy to learn and understand. It's not complicated. What we are looking at, we are looking at a win or a loss. So if we are looking at those two things, and in binary options, like I told you, it is a short term way of trading. Okay, so if we know those those different terms that we are looking at. We are looking at either you either win or you lose. We are dealing with the shortest time frames, the short, like we are trading using the shortest time possible. So, like I said, let us let us make sure that if I'm dealing with 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, we are dealing with 45 or even 1 minute. That is really short, okay? But we know that in those small time frames, we can actually make a lot of money out of it. Or if we have learned everything that it's supposed to be, the strategy, how we are supposed to trade, in the small opportunities that we get, we place a trade, we are able to make some amount of money. Because, like, I gave you an example, and I was like, if I place a trade, and my time frame is 1 hour, okay, or my time expiry 1 hour. So in that 1 hour, remember, I'm still scalping. If it is 1 hour, I'm waiting for a win or a loss. Okay, I have to wait for that whole hour. Do you know that if I'm trading in my 15 seconds in 1 hour, do you know how many profits I would have made? So that is also something to look at. So that's why with me, these small time frames, you make something out of it and you call it a day, you know. For those that want to have it for an hour, 2 hours a day, and all that, I have no problem with you. But this is what I do. I love doing, and I believe in these short trades. We can make something out of it. Can you imagine in a day if you decide that, okay, in the morning I'll do some trading, in the afternoon I'll do some trading, in the night I do some trading, with this short-term trading, it's all possible. Like, you can trade as many times as you can, which might not be possible. Oof, I made a loss here. I made a loss here, but let us keep it going. Positivity all the way. I came back today full of positivity. I've missed you guys so much. So I have to shower you with a lot of love, a lot of positivity, no negativity whatsoever. Okay, and there it is, backed up by a plus. I made a loss earlier, and I've, it has been backed up by a plus. So let us keep it going. Let us keep it exciting. Okay, blessing comes through. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Today I've seen a lot of my beautiful people come through. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bokeye, that is one of my most amazing people. Each and every one of you is amazing, but there are those people that actually started the stream with me. Sydney, Bokeye, look at Camila over there. Oh my goodness. Hi, how are you, darling? How are you doing? Hope you are great. It has been a while. Where have you been? Where have you been? But thank you for coming through. And we have a plus over there. Look at that. So let us keep it going. Let us keep it going and exciting. Wilfred, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Okay. So Wilfred, please, I would like to learn this trading. Okay, so like I said, I've been saying I made some videos that my media team will be releasing very, very okay, from sometime from now. So let's wait for those ones, and we see how everything plays out, because when you have something to learn from, whenever we come on the stream and you see the chart, the indicators, how they perform, how Ooh, I've made another loss here. Let us keep it positive. Let us keep it positive. Let us drive it through. Let us drive it through. Okay. So when we have at least something that we have learned, it makes us love this so much. Okay. So and whenever you look at the chart, you know exactly what is going on, what is happening, and you actually start saying yourself that if I was the one on this chart, if I was trading this here, I would have made money. Maybe Lena has missed here, she would have placed in a trade here, or they're like, we start giving ourselves different ideas, amazing ideas. How can we improve ourselves? How can we do better? How can we do things right? Remember, I said 2026 is going to be our beautiful and amazing year. We are here to learn, to improve ourselves, to grow ourselves in our trading journey. We are going to get to the top together. I'm not leaving anyone behind. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Okay, that is Julian. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Hope you are. Sorry about that. Hope you are amazing. Philip over there. Yes, we shall be learning a few things here and there. Like I said, I made some videos and my media team will release them when they are ready for us to benefit from. Okay, so from that, we shall learn something. Okay, Prosperous, hi, how are you doing? Bouquet, Prosperous, Camila, Sydney, oh, like those names, those are very, very old, beautiful brothers and sisters of mine that we have had here. So, to each and every one of you who has not liked and subscribed, please do so such that whenever we are coming live, we are here to tune in and such that at least we do not miss any single day. Every day we are live, we learn together, we are building this together. Okay, so please do not stay behind saying that this is Alina's thing. Please come through. Let us take this to the other, to another amazing, amazing level. Okay, so please come through, hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Seeing you guys each and every single day makes me so happy, so very, very happy. Okay, I'm saying Joshua. Joshua over there, you can contact me on Telegram. On Telegram, there is that other part that shows contact. Please do that. I do not have. I deal with YouTube and Telegram. Basically, that's what I deal with. But Joshua, thank you for coming through. Happy to see you around. And for the part of the donation, we also have um, the donations link, so that it becomes easier for you to send in your donation as well. Okay. Okay, that is Waterford. Okay, just a second. Waterford is asking what is the best trading time? The best trading time, is it 15 seconds or 2 minutes? I believe that depends. It depends. Of course, the longer you give it some time, maybe the better it becomes. But remember this small time frame, like I keep saying, it is risky. Of course, even 2 minutes, it's still risky. But on my end, 15 seconds does for me. Um, it really does for me. That's why I keep with it. That's why I keep with it. Okay. But of course, the longer you analyze the market, the longer you are in it, the better. Okay, the better. But on my end, I prefer what I am using right now. Okay. All right. Julian is trading with me. Julian is trading with me. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Emma Miller, this has been amazing. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Thank you very much. Okay. Emma Miller still this girl is on fire by Alicia Keys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you very much. Let us get on fire together. We are driving this together. We are building this together. So please, I'm not leaving anyone behind. So let's go. Okay. That is Matthias over there. Let's grow together. Thank you very much. We are growing together. We are building this together. We are not leaving anybody behind. Okay? We are not leaving anybody behind. And for the people who are still in the growing, in the learning stage, trust me, we are not leaving you behind. Like I said, we shall get there when my media team is ready to release these videos. We shall learn a lot from them such that we all catch up. We all catch up and we run together. Okay, so we are going to be on fire together. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Thank you, Robin. I'm telling you. So let us have it. Okay, right about now, if you can see up there, we are already at 49K. So that simply means the day is amazing. We are doing great. We are doing great. That's true. That's true. That's true. Okay. Mhm. Let us have it. The mood is in the air today. We are doing great. We are doing great. Also, the other thing that I'd forgotten to tell you about, for the amazing people that have sent in or that have been sending in your donations. Sorry, today I'm not going to do donations, okay? Um, since I've just come through after some time and I'm seeing you people. I want us to catch up. I want us to talk. I want us to understand everything together. I want to first catch up and then we shall do the donations tomorrow. Okay, so today no donations. For any one of you who sent in their donations, do not worry. Okay, do not worry. We shall work on that tomorrow and the other coming days. I have made a loss over here. Regardless, we have to move. Regardless, we have to move. Sorry. All right, so that is a Serafina. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Hope you are amazing. Today I'm seeing beautiful, amazing people. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys for coming through. Thank you for always sticking around. So grateful. I feel so overjoyed, and trust me, too much respect, too much love coming to you. And let me tell you, I do not take this for granted, and it is always a pleasure for me to be here to serve you, to hear from you, to work with you, to grow with you. It's always a pleasure. I do not take it for granted. I really do appreciate you. Too much love from your girl Lina. Day in, day out. I got each and every one of you. Okay. That is a Martinez over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hello, before entering, I call the trend in chat, Lena. All right. I'm going to do that. Murphy over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Hope you are great. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Martinez says a big respect to you for doing this live. Thank you, my dear. Big respect to you too for being here with your girl Lena. Okay, so thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. I really do appreciate you. Sir Mike comes to you. Big up to you. Big up to you. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing great. I've missed you so much. I've been away for all these days, but I'm back. I'm back on my feet, and trust me, we are going to drive this throughout, okay? Wealth. Hi, how are you doing? How are you doing? Hope you are great. Like your name, may it rain wealth to you that side. Okay, so happy to have you around. For the new people, please hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Okay, that makes me so happy when I see very many people coming through, people joining. That simply means every single day we are going to be live together. Okay, Everest comes through. Okay, nice. patience. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much, James. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Hope you are doing okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Philip. That is Matthias. Thank you very much. The happiness that you people give me, the happiness that you people share with me, or the happiness that I always share here, it's all because of you guys. It's all because of you guys. So I'm always so excited to be here, always so happy. Like, I always have those beautiful, beautiful vibes, the smile, the happiness. It's all for you, my beautiful people. And please, where you are as well, in whatever you do, in all that you have to engage in, please let happiness be a part of you. Let it be part of you. Uh, you know, Somewhere, somehow, when you are a happy person, there is a way things play out. There is a way things play out. So keep it, keep the happiness. Let us be full of joy, and things will always work out for us. Okay. Do you know uh, when I was growing up, I had this situation or this issue that someone. Okay, I'm placing in a cell position over here. Let's see. Okay. Okay, and it is a plus. Okay. So as I was saying, um, I used to have a certain way I used to see things. Someone does something, you take it to heart, like you are so bitter about it and all that. But when you move and you talk to someone else about it, this person doesn't see really a big issue about it. You find that if that same thing was done to that other person, the person would not really react the way I reacted. Okay. So I started um, I started letting certain anger get out of my life. I should put it, because there are things that used to really really annoy me, but when the same thing is done to someone else, you find that they take it in a certain way. So please, I choose to be happy, and with you people by my side, trust me, we are winners, and whatever profits we make, we deserve them. Okay? Okay, so we do that, and things will become much easier, much better for us. Okay. Mm. All right, so like I keep saying, take your time, analyze before you place in either a sell or a buy. You take your time, analyze, and know exactly what is happening. Of course, when you do that, most of the times you will make your profits. Sometimes you will make a few losses, but when you take your time, the patience, you analyze everything properly, on an 80%, you are going to make profits out of it. All right. But trust me, when you rush about it, you will definitely crash. Okay. Okay, so Murphy is asking what time frame. So for the time frame, I'm using 15 seconds. Okay, that is for the chart time frame, and it's the same as the time expiry as well. So for the candle close, I'm using 5 seconds. Okay, so for the chart time frame and the expiry time, it's the same, it's 15. Then for the candle close there, I'm using um 5 seconds. Okay, James Tarot. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Hope you are okay. So, about learning this very soon, we shall be learning. Okay, I have something in a store that I worked on, and when my media team is ready, they will be releasing it on uh, my YouTube channel, and we shall definitely learn something from it. Okay, that is Sam's TV. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Hope you are great. Hope you are doing amazing. And then there we have a blast. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, that is unbox. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great, Elizabeth. No rush, no fear, just watching today's chats. Thank you, darling. Thank you, and definitely thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Happy to have you around. Thank you for sticking around, okay? Thank you for sticking around. I always do appreciate you. I always do appreciate you. Elizabeth is saying a market can joke all it wants. We stay cool, definitely. We are staying cool. None of it is taking us out of it. Okay, we have it and we are unbothered. I'm telling you, thank you, Elizabeth, about that. James Tarot, I just subscribed to your channel. Thank you. Who made a loss here? So these small losses, all these losses that keep happening, these are some of the things that should pull you towards knowing, okay, I placed in a cell here. What exactly happened when I did that? Why did I do it? Okay, so if it is like this, that simply means next time I am not supposed to do it like that. All right, so these are some of the small things uh, that you look at, you observe, and then you make it better. Okay, so Noah Johnson, hi, how are you doing? Just not today. Today, I've seen very many amazing people come through. I've seen beautiful people come through. Thank you very much, guys. I really do appreciate you. I really do appreciate you. Okay, thank you. That is Aiden Wilson. Thank you very much. Pedro. Okay, thank you. That is Anselmo. Thank you very much. Okay, so like I said earlier, today we are not going to have the donations. And for the people that sent in their donations, do not worry yourselves. Today it has not been possible. Reason being, I've missed you guys so much. I've missed you guys so much. And I want us to chat a little, get back on track, get back on track. Then tomorrow, if you have noticed some of the times when maybe I've been unwell and then I come back, um, we get some time and the personal trading, what I'm doing right now, it takes a short period of time. Then most of the times we spend it in the donations. Okay, so don't worry saying that it has been long, it has taken long. Do not worry about that. I get a day and everything is worked on. Okay, everything is worked on. I make for you your profits. We stay positive. The vibe is in the air, and we definitely go our with our profits. Okay, so we just have to stay positive. Things will play out. Okay. All right. So for the people who are waiting for the donations, that is it for today. We shall do that some other time. Okay, right now I'm placing in a buy position over here as you have seen. That was okay. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That okay. That is amazing. That is amazing. Felix, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Hope you are great. Coffee, Joel, hi, how are you doing? Let me hope you are great. Thank you for coming through and definitely thank you for the love. Thank you for the participation. Thank you for sending in messages in the chat section. For the new, beautiful, and amazing people, thank you for coming through. You are in the right place at the right time, definitely. So do not forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Let us keep it going. We keep it beautiful and amazing. Okay. I'm telling you, the market today is amazing. It is amazing. That is okay. Let us have it over here. Ooh, yes. That's beautiful. That is amazing. The color over there comes through. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are okay. Happy to always see you come through. Happy to always see you come through. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. Hope you are doing great. Hope you're well. Your girl Lena over here is doing great. I'm very fine. Whenever I come through, I see my people vibing, all positive. That is the one thing that makes me so happy, that makes me so excited. Okay, so thank you very much for coming through. I really do appreciate. Um, Sir Mike, no worries. We all want a profit outcome. So if tomorrow, then so be it. All right, my dear. All right, all right. So tomorrow, the other day, like that, like that. So we shall stay positive and definitely we shall see how it will all play out. That is a Khalid over there. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Please hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Let us keep it going. We keep it growing and we have to keep it positive all the way. Okay, so let us go. Let's have it. Thank you, and definitely thank you, Sydney, for the participation. Thank you. I really do appreciate you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you for sticking around, for always coming through. Thank you. Today is really a beautiful day, an amazing day. I think the fact that taken long minus seeing or chatting with you, I feel so excited. I feel so excited. Trust me, trust me. So let us keep it going and let us keep observing the market together. Let us analyze the market together. We see how today is going to go, how the day is going to go. But on my end, I already see positivity has taken over. Today, negativity, no way through. So let us keep it going. Okay. Mm, that is amazing. That is a beautiful one. Okay, so we are crossing above. We are crossing above right about now. We are in an uptrend. We have moved into the bullish direction. So whenever I hear bullish uptrend, that is where the buyers have taken over the market. Okay. So whenever I hear that, just know the buyers have taken over the market. Okay. Right. It looks like we did not really take that much up there. And the market is being pushed down. No, no. All right. So these are some of the things that we have to be analyzing. Okay, that's not it. Okay. You see, in most cases, when we look at these three lines, when you see the green line and it has not crossed both the the red and the blue line, do not conclude to say that we have switched to another trend. In most cases, we are just going to continue up because the green line has not crossed below. It has not crossed below, so unless it has crossed the two lines, that's when we are sure that we are having a trend change. Okay. Okay. Okay, we are still up. We are still up. Okay. And the fact that I've placed in a buy position over here, and to my reason, as you see these three lines, that is amazing. You see these three lines, so we are in a clear confirmation of a trend. Okay, when they are separated, that fully separated, we are fully in a clear trend. So there we can easily place in a buy a trade and we get profits out of it. But when you see that they are coming close to each other, the green one wants to cross through the red one and the blue one, there you know that we do not have that too much a clarity on the direction that we are taking or that trend that we are in. Okay, but when you see them fully separated, it's it's really good. That at least you are assured of the trend that you are in. Okay, I'm seeing Pedro there. If you are new, this silence is normal. Do not panic. You know, at times you are so focused on the chat and you're trying to analyze, to understand exactly what is happening, what is going on. Should I get ready? Is this a signal for me to place in a trade? Am I having that clear confirmation? Just like right about now. Okay, all right. Look at that. Look at that. That is what we are talking about. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You know, this keeps me going. It keeps me so full of life. So, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you. And I do not take any of this for granted. Okay. I really don't. I don't. So let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. Okay. Okay. I'm really so sorry at times. I just forget to announce when I'm placing in a trade, and I remember to say when I've already placed it in. I'm really so sorry about that. Actually, that is one of the things that I'm going to work on, the things that I'm going to improve on. Okay, so I'm going to do better. I'm going to do better such that I'm able to announce to you that right about now I'm placing in a sell trade after this confirmation. I'm placing in a buy trade after this confirmation. Trust me, I'm going to work on all that. Okay, because I've actually noticed that most people would love that and such that they are able to know when exactly what do I wait for. So all that, trust me, I'm going to work on it. That is something that I need to improve myself on. Godwin, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Donna, that is Dawn Austin. Hi, How are you doing? Thank you for coming through. My beautiful people, do not forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Let us keep it going, let us keep it growing, let us keep it positive all the way. Okay, okay, Godwin. I'm good. That's amazing. Right over here, your girl Lena is also amazing. Okay. So I placed in that buy position over there after that, immediately after confirmation of a pullback. So I placed in a buy position over there, and I have two pluses over there. That is amazing. Okay. Right. That is a beautiful one. That is an amazing win. And of course, as we can all see, that was a clear spread with our three lines. All of them were way apart. So that is another confirmation for us. But right about now, we are saying that we are trying to break through. So the green line is trying to change everything. So let us see how it is going to play out. It looks like we want to cross above. So initially, we were in a downtrend, and right about now, we look like we are breaking above. Okay. We have broken above, but how long shall we stay there? Okay, so these are all the things that you need to watch out for. You analyze it before you rush to placing a trade. Okay, so take your time because you might think, okay, right now we are in an uptrend, so let me place in, and then you end up making a loss. We have not really taken so long up there, and we are getting back down. First, have all the confirmations before you place in a trade. Okay, Okay. And trust me, um, on my end, like I said, or the other previous streams, I'm using two indicators. That is the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator. So in most cases, when I look at, sorry about that, when I look at my alligator indicator and it's a bit confusing, I'm not understanding exactly what is going on, I check out with my MACD indicator as well. Okay, so the reason as to why I always advise you to use at least two or even three indicators. At least you have something to confirm with, something to give you a go ahead. At least you'll be like, no, this first indicator, things are not way clear with it. So let me confirm with my second indicator. Okay, so at least there you know that if you are placing in a buy, like buy positions like I've done right about now, even the MACD gives me a go ahead. Okay, so please look at that. That is a plus for us. That is amazing. Today has been really, really an amazing day. The market wanted to twist things here and there, but we have stood our grounds and here we are. Okay, so this is amazing. This is really, really amazing. So, like I was saying about the indicators, please, when you are learning, do not focus on just one. Focus on definitely the easy ones, you know. Do not look for complicated things because there are those indicators for the beginners, and then there are those for those that we call masters, those that have been in the game for some time, for a long time. So please do not go for those complicated ones. These people who have taken their time trading know how easy these complicated indicators may be. But for us, please let us first leave them until we get there. Then we shall decide on that. But for now, look for something that is going to make your life easy, analyzing everything and make your small profits rest. Okay, so let us look for the easy things, and we shall definitely wish things will be better for us. Right. Uh, that is Simon over there. He is asking me whether I am alive. Yes, I am. I definitely am. And I'm really so sorry that I had disappeared for that long. Um, but here I am. I'm back. I'm so very much alive. Happy to see you around. Happy to have you around. Okay, that is a Chinedu. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, that is Chinedu. I'm not looking for signals. I want to learn how to trade. Your calmness and results speak volumes. Thank you very, very much. With the learning here on the live stream, definitely we learn a thing or two whenever we come live, and that's why I took some time off to make some videos for us to at least be able to have something to refer to. So please, um, I made some videos, and trust me, when they are fully worked on, my media team will release them. So we shall have them, and I believe we shall learn something out of them. Okay. So, you who is here to learn, let us wait for that and we shall have it. Learn, keep improving ourselves. With the live streams that we shall be having, we keep improving ourselves. Questions are asked here and there, responses are got here and there, and that way we keep learning, we keep growing ourselves, we keep getting motivated. The one thing that I do not want us to start looking at is thinking that maybe no, it's not it, let me leave it, and all that. No, I want us to stay positive. I want us to learn. Whenever you get time, learn something, improve on yourself. Okay, improve on yourself, learn something. Okay, so that's the one thing that I always want to tell us. Okay, motivating ourselves, improving ourselves helps us get to where we have to be. And trust me, we have to get where we have to be. Okay, so let's keep the love going, the happiness, the excitement, the chatting here and there. With with it all, we shall definitely have something amazing out of it. Okay, so let us keep it going. Okay, I'm seeing some amazing people coming through. That is Newell, FX Signal. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Happy to have you around. Excited to hear from you. That is a guru over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are great. Matilda, hi, how are you doing? Such amazing time we are sharing here. So thank you very much all for coming through, for sticking around from the very first second that we started off till this minute when we are actually about to close the stream. It has really, really been. Look at that spike. Look at that spike. Okay. All right, so there comes Anastasis. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. So excited to have you around. My beautiful people, do not forget one thing. Do not forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. We are growing together. We are building this together. So please hit that like button for me, subscribe, and definitely we shall grow together. That is a cell position that I've placed in over here. Let's see, which I've placed into, as you can see, so that is malt. It is multiple, and both of them have gotten pluses. Look at that. So amazing, so amazing. Okay, so where were we? And look at the profits that we are looking at right about now. So we are at 78K right about now. So since we started until this time, you can see that the day has not been bad, or actually the time for the stream has not been bad. We have done something amazing out of it. We have analyzed the market together. We have seen that things are possible. Okay, so take some time off, learn, understand, and definitely with a pocket option being our platform or our broker. Um, uh, our broker. So for that, I remember someone asked me to talk about pocket option. So pocket option, like any other platform, okay, because we have very many platforms, but on my end, I use pocket option. The the only thing is that for it, it handles binary options trading, but we could have maybe any other platform. So there is really nothing much to talk about pocket option, I should say. So for it, it handles binary options trading, I should say. So yeah, really nothing much to say about it. I do not know which platform you use, but for me, I use Pocket Option. And since you asked me about it, so with Pocket Option, it handles the binary options trading, which I was actually talking about earlier. That is what I trade here, okay? The binary options trading. And like I said, it is risky. When we talk about risky, definitely we are looking at the 15 seconds, the 10 seconds, the 5, we are looking at the 30, we are looking at the 1 minute. So that is all risky, okay? But at the end of the day, when we know exactly what to do, how to deal with it is risky, and at the same time, we can make a profits out of it. Okay, that is the other thing that I can say. All right. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm telling you, I'm on fire, and trust me, when I am on fire, it's because you guys put me there. You know, we come through, we start off together. I do not want you guys to leave yourselves out. We start off together, we analyze the market together, we start trading together. So trust me, everything we are doing it together. All right. So I would love to appreciate you guys. I would love to really, really let you know that. I'm so grateful that you guys are part of my beautiful family that we have over here. We are growing together. We are getting to where we want to be together. So it's really, really an amazing time that we are sharing. Okay, so let's see. Okay, okay. So, okay, I placed in two by positions over here. Let us see. That is amazing. Trust me, today I cannot say the day has been bad. No, 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 no. I can't. The day has really been an amazing one, full of support, encouragement. The market was not bad. The market was manageable. But trust me, there are those times when the market is crazy. But today we have really, really done great. We have done great. All right, so for the beginners, maybe just to remind us, we shall talk about risk management. Risk management is something where we at least manage our funds, we manage our accounts, we protect our accounts from being blown. That simply means that we have to know when to trade more, when to trade less, depending on certain situations. When we are beginners, there is nothing that pushes you to put in 50% of what you have on your account. Trade small, start small, and with time, when you are confident or when you become a master, then there probably maybe could be, when I do this, I can make this amount out of it. But one thing you should keep in mind, even the masters, they do trade. At times, their decisions bounce back to them and they make losses out of it. So let us keep it at a certain percentage that we are trading. Let us protect our accounts. And before I end this session today, let me talk about the donations. Please, all I ever want is for each and everyone who sends in their donations to make profits, all right? But there are those times when things go crazy, when the market is wild, when things are really bad. So I try and do what I can do, but at times things get out of hand. So, what am I drawing to? What I'm trying to say is that depending on what you have on your account, you have gone through Lena's terms and conditions, you feel you can send in your donation for me to trade for you. That is a beautiful and an amazing thing. But one thing I do not want you to do is for you to get your last savings and then send them to Lena to trade. Remember, here we are looking at a win or a loss. Do not get your last savings. I always talk about positivity. We have to be positive, okay? But at the same time, we have to know that things could go south. Things could go south. So send in something that you are willing to lose. Something that if you lose it, that was not the last a penny that you had on your account. All right. So send in something for the donations when you know that in case things go bad, I'm willing to lose this. All right. So that is the other thing that I keep telling you. Let us always, always not be like, okay, Lena is my savior. If I have 350 USD on my account, she's going to make profits for me. That is very possible. That is very possible. But I do not want you to send in your last savings. Okay? Send in something that you are willing to lose. Okay? So for today, I would love to really, really appreciate you. I would love to really appreciate you. Thank you for coming through. Really so grateful. It has been a while since we were here together, but we've been here together. The day has been so beautiful, so amazing, so full of life. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you very, very much. So we shall have at the end of the session today, and let us wait for tomorrow. So let us see what tomorrow brings. Let us see what tomorrow brings. Okay, so that is it from me today. I will see you tomorrow. Stay blessed, stay well. Bye bye. Okay.